It's snowy today. Got a lot of snow. Got my chocolate milk. Our puddle's frozen. The trees are frozen. This is the most rain I've seen in like, no, this is hail. What the? Oh, this is hail. I've never seen this before. Oh geez, the carpet's frozen, guys. Listen to it. It's frozen. The carpet's frozen. I just realized something. Oh wow. That's so cool. Hold on. I need to. How do we turn this thing on? I ripped off the carpet. The carpet's still frozen, but I lifted it off the table. Let me show you what's under. Jet mode. Look at this. Whew. Here you go. Really is hard. Okay, Jet, stop. Your paws are wet. Stop it. Oh, geez. Dude, oh my gosh, it's like freezing cold. I need gloves. Got myself some paper towels to help with the carpet. Because I need to move it either back on the table or somewhere else. I'll be just gonna move it somewhere else. Look at this. I got it. Oh, geez. Alright, that's that.